Good afternoon. My name is John Kinseth. I'm the Deputy City Manager here in the City of Decatur. Today is January 13th, 2022. We are almost 2 years into this pandemic, and I know that many people are getting fatigued and want life to return to normal as we did a year ago, as we did 18 months ago. Unfortunately, I am here before you today to remind you that our numbers for the number of cases, the number of hospitalizations, the number of deaths are probably as bad today as they ever have been here in Decatur-Macon County during the last 24 months. Last week, we had over 2,300 cases, 2,300 new cases. We had 13 deaths, 49 hospitalizations. And so as I stated earlier, you know, the numbers ebb and flow and peak and fall, but where we are today with the new variant that's making its way globally, the Omicron, is impacting Decatur and Macon County, as are some of the other previous variants that are still here with us as well, and it's having a significant impact. So I have to ask you again to continue to do your part. Wear your mask, wash your hands, do all those basic things for basic hygiene. And if you're not going to do it for yourself, at least do it for your friends, your family, and for our healthcare workers that have been here on the front lines for a long time. They are growing fatigued. They are getting exhausted. We have to basically do our part so that there is a bed, there is capacity if and when we need it. The reality of it is that it's not going to go away overnight. Hopefully this is the last surge and we reach that endemic stage. We move from pandemic to endemic. But again, I'm not going to speak entirely to that. That's up to the health professionals. I would refer you to the CDC, to the Illinois Department of Public Health, to the Macon County Health Department, all of those organizations. That's their primary job as public health. They can provide the data, the statistics, the numbers, and the outlooks on the health side. Along those same lines, there has been new guidance issued as far as isolation and quarantine rules. The CDC, the Illinois Department of Public Health, and all this information can be found on the Macon County Health Department website and their Facebook page. They have lowered the amount of time that a person has to isolate and quarantine, recognizing that people are more likely to follow the proper procedure if it is less disruptive to their lives. Also recognizing that a large percentage of Decatur-Macon County, not as high as it should be or that it could be, are fully vaccinated and even boosted at this point. There is a different set of rules for those people that are vaccinated and boosted versus those that are unvaccinated. The reality of it is that more than 75% of the people that are hospitalized with COVID are unvaccinated. And so, you know, what you can do to do your part is to get vaccinated. If you are vaccinated, get boosted. Those are the types of things that you can do to protect yourself, to do your part for the community so that you save the bed capacity, the hospital capacity for somebody that has not done those same steps. But look into the new rules on the isolation quarantining because they have changed just in the past week. The city is continued to support our local businesses and our local residents, doing our part to try to make sure that they have the resources that they need to continue to operate, and residents have the resources that they need to continue to live their lives. The last city council meeting, the city council provided an additional $300,000 to Dove to be provided to our residents that need mortgage assistance, rental assistance, utility assistance, etc. So if you are a person that's impacted by COVID and needs some financial assistance, I would encourage you to seek out that funding source if it makes sense. Along those same lines as well, the City of Decatur has consolidated all of the grants and benefits that are available to both residents and business on our website. We have a new web platform called Access Decatur. Right there on our homepage in the top menu, you'll see a new tab's been added over the last week or two called Access Decatur. It's a one-stop shop, a centralization of all grants and benefits that we are aware of for City of Decatur residents or for Decatur businesses. And when I say grants and benefits, I don't just mean the City of Decatur, it also includes state benefits and federal benefits as well. And so whether it's an SPA loan, whether it's a local water utility assistance, all of those are in one place, centralized for your convenience. The hope and the desire is that by centralizing it, it's easier to navigate. A person really only has to create one login, provide us the information one time, and that application can work across multiple grant or funding sources. Again, streamlining it, making it easier for the user, you at home or you at your business. So if you haven't seen that yet, check out Access Decatur as the centralized one-stop shop for all the grants and benefits available to Decatur businesses and residents. Thank you.